So this is how to make a working tank turret video game in Scratch. So yeah, for the body, it's just simple. Just one flat click, and then we need to make an enemy, and I'll color that as a red tank. And just copy this and there, just copy this thing, and then yeah, you can pause, by the way. I don't give you enough time. Alright, and then you copy this for the thing. You don't have to copy this part though. You don't have to copy that. You can do this type if you want. I mean, this is the only thing that you actually need. So movement key will be the left, or any arrow your choice, or any key. Then that's the body of our tank. This will be the turret. As you can tell, it's pretty darn messy. So you keep duplicating when flag. So you start off when flag clicked, wait 0.10 seconds. Then switch costume to Apple, which is going to be like the firing animation. You don't really have to do that. You don't have to do the sound. You can just create clone of Apple II. Then wait 0.5 seconds, and then switch back to your normal thing. Wait 0.5 seconds, or if you want to do the noise and the costumes, then Apple II, which will be our bullet. Oh yeah, I forgot to show you the turret. This is the turret on its firing animation. And Apple II will be our bullet, which would look like this. You can design it actually however you like. Don't have to do it my way. And then this is the coding. You can copy this down. Well, I mean, if you want this part. But I mean, to do that, then it wouldn't fill your screen with bouncing like bullets. If you don't want to do this, then you don't have to put this either on edge bounce. And then tracks. So like the tracks that the trails, or whatever you should call them, that are left behind by the tank look like this. And this is the stuff. You don't have to do any of this though. You do have to do this and that. You can always pause anytime. And for our enemy, oh wait, I already showed you. And here's the finishing result, and also the stage. You can also do this. I did the Polish cow for the noise. Yeah. And then this is my map. You can make any type of map, I mean. Any map you want. You can include music. I mean, like the Polish cow I made. I'm not good at it yet, though. Then you can move. I don't want the music. And here's the finishing result. You can add noise if you want. I can just AFK shoot these tanks. Why are they always spawning down there? Of course, the tank tracks aren't too good. When I'm recording this, I am also sick. just AFK do this. So yeah. And that's how you make there. Just stop it like that. So that's one of that, and that's one of the games I made. I also made an airplane game, but I forgot to show you it, and I don't know where that file is from loading in. And yeah, that's all. Hope this helped you. And yeah, bye.